Hello, everyone. Welcome back to my YouTube channel, your place to learn English quickly and easily. In today's lesson, we're going to practice small talk in English short, natural conversations that help you sound confident in daily life. We'll go slowly, step by step, so you can listen carefully, repeat clearly, and speak fluently. You'll learn how to talk about daily life, weather, food, hobbies, work, travel, and much more. Each sentence is short, useful, and easy to remember, perfect for everyday speaking practice. So get ready to listen, repeat, and shadow slowly with me. By the end of this video, you'll be able to start small talk in English, just like a native speaker. Let's begin our small talk English practice and boost your confidence right now. Let's start with daily life and greeting sentences. These help you begin friendly conversations and sound natural in daily situations. These are polite and positive sentences to start any casual talk. They make your conversations warm and easy to continue. How have you been keeping these days? What's been keeping you busy lately? It's such a pleasant day, isn't it? How are things going at your end? You seem in a great mood today. Did you get enough rest last night? What time do you usually start your day? How's everyone at home doing? Do you usually eat breakfast early or skip it? I'm glad we finally got a chance to talk. Try using 2 or 3 of these sentences each day. It will help you sound more confident and fluent when greeting people. Now, let's move on to sentences you can use at work or school. They're great for professional and academic conversations. These sentences help you talk about jobs, studies, and goals naturally. They make conversations more meaningful and professional. How's work treating you these days? Are you working on any interesting projects? What do you enjoy most about your job? Do you get along well with your coworkers? How do you usually manage stress at work? What are you studying these days? Which subject do you find most challenging? Do you prefer studying alone or in groups? How do you prepare for your exams? What's your goal after graduation? Try practicing these with your friends or classmates. They'll help you speak more fluently in office or school discussions. Next, let's talk about the weather, one of the easiest small talk topics. It's a polite and simple way to start any conversation. These sentences are short, natural, and easy to use with anyone. Talking about weather is a friendly way to start small talk. The weather's been unpredictable lately, hasn't it? It looks like it's going to rain any minute. I love how fresh the air feels after rain. It's surprisingly warm for this time of year. The sunset looks amazing today. The humidity makes it feel even hotter. I can't believe how cold it's gotten overnight. It's the perfect weather for staying indoors. The breeze feels so refreshing. I wish every day had weather like this. Whenever you feel shy to start talking, begin with weather sentences. They're simple, polite, and work in any situation. Now, let's look at sentences for talking about food and drinks. Everyone enjoys food, so this topic always feels easy and fun. These sentences are great for chatting in cafes, restaurants, or at home. They help you practice natural and relaxed English. What kind of cuisine do you usually enjoy? Do you like trying new dishes? That restaurant serves the best pasta in town. I'm not really into spicy food. Do you prefer coffee in the morning or evening? I'm craving something sweet right now. This smells absolutely delicious. How often do you eat out? I could never say no to dessert. Let's grab dinner together sometime. Try using these sentences when you're eating out or with friends. They make your English sound friendly and confident. Let's talk about hobbies and free time activities. This topic helps you connect with people and find common interests. These sentences help you talk about how you relax or what you enjoy doing. They make your English sound friendly, personal, and easygoing. What do you like to do to unwind? Have you seen any good movies recently? What kind of music helps you relax? Do you enjoy reading in your free time? Have you been traveling much lately? I try to spend my weekends outdoors. Do you play any musical instruments? I find painting very calming. How do you usually spend your Sundays? I've been meaning to pick up a new hobby. Use these sentences to start conversations about fun topics. They help you sound open, friendly, and confident while speaking English. Now, let's learn how to talk when meeting new people. These sentences help you make a good first impression in English. They're polite, friendly, and simple to use when you meet someone new. These phrases help you start conversations naturally and confidently. It's great to finally meet you in person. Where did you grow up? What brings you to this event? How do you usually spend your weekends? I've heard some really nice things about you. Are you new to this city? What do you think of this place so far? You have a really positive vibe. How long have you lived around here? Do you come here often? These sentences are perfect for first meetings and casual introductions. Practice them to sound polite, confident, and friendly wherever you go. Let's talk about travel and places. Everyone loves talking about vacations, trips, and new experiences. These sentences are perfect for sharing travel stories and dreams. They make your English sound lively, confident, and interesting in conversations. Have you traveled anywhere interesting lately? I love exploring new cultures and cuisines. What's your favorite travel destination so far? How was your last vacation? Do you prefer the beach or the mountains? I'd love to visit Europe one day. Traveling really broadens your perspective. Have you ever gone on a solo trip? I enjoy visiting historical places. What's one country you'd love to visit next? Use these sentences when talking about holidays or dream destinations. They help you sound expressive and confident while sharing your experiences. Now, let's move on to social media and technology. These topics are modern, fun, and a big part of daily life today. These sentences help you talk about online life and digital habits. They make your English sound current, natural, and easy to understand. Are you active on social media? Which app do you use the most? I spend way too much time scrolling online. That video really went viral fast. Do you like creating content? I'm trying to limit my screen time these days. What kind of videos do you usually watch? Have you tried any new apps recently? I follow a lot of educational channels on YouTube. Technology changes so fast these days. Try using these sentences when you talk about trends or online content. They'll help your English sound natural, modern, and fluent.